Hi, good morning. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Are you a trader trading in Nifty futures, especially weekly expiry? Here's the view for Nifty key levels to watch out for to focus for a profitable trade. Nifty has been consolidating from past 7 weeks in the range between 22,200 on the upper side and 21,200 on the downside, awaiting for a breakout. Nifty held on to the supports of 21,480 and saw a pullback towards 21,860-880. What next? As per the derivatives data, the key levels to watch out for Nifty futures. Major supports placed at 21,740, 21,710, followed by 21,680, and the major resistance now placed at 21,984, followed by 22,054 and 22,100. For the day, the strategy would be to buy on declines up to 21,700, 760 for the targets of 21,980, 22,050 and 22,100 zones. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.